we're going to be installing this B&V product safe in my Tacoma. But stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to be giving one of these away to one of you guys. So let's hop into this installation and see how this works in my truck. With every good installation, we start with the directions and whatever comes in the box. So that's what we got here. We have directions. I'm going to go through this and see what we need to do, what tools we need. Should have everything I need right there, but just in case, we're going to check again. And then any parts that are provided, looks like the key and some kind of washers and bolts and mats. So we're going to check that out. So it looks like step one is going to be on the console lid side. So let's go on the inside of the truck and and do that. So right here are the screws that we need to take out. So I'm going to go ahead and get that removed. To be all professional, I got my little tool here. You want to pry once you got those screws out from the bottom here to pop it out. Now you want to remove the factory carpet here. Boop, throw that down there. Then we got 10mm bolts that we need to take out. Now that we got those screws removed, we can go ahead and drop in the safe here. I'm going to do that because I need both hands. I want to go ahead and make sure it is flush up front on the angles. Looks pretty good. Went ahead and grabbed the washer and bolt set up from the package, and I'm going to go ahead and install that there. Need a little bit longer bolts. I guess that's why they provided these, so I'm going to throw these in real quick. Now that we have the bolts installed, this is officially bolted into the truck and mostly installed. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the inside of the lid here and then install the rubber mats that go to the bottom of this to make sure, you know, your stuff stays safe. I'm going to grab that right now. Alrighty, I got both mats here, so this one's got the holes in it, so we're going to go ahead and put that one in first. Might need two hands for this. Probably going to need two hands. Maybe. Guess not. I'm gonna grab the other one, put that one on top, and there it is. Very nice on the inside, really cool design. Shut that up. It has a key that comes with it, so you can just put the key in there, set the combo to what you want it to be, put the combo in, lift it up to open. Heck yeah. I was trying to show you guys this, but it's really hard on the phone. But if you lift this up here and take a look on the inside, you see we still do have our charging ports, so we can charge up our devices. Still cool that it keeps that intact, and it looks really great. And now you don't have to worry about your stuff getting stolen if you have a firearm, a wallet, etc. This should keep all that safe. See what I did there? Safe. It's a joke. We just got this fully installed. Super quick install, actually. I didn't realize how fast it was actually going to be. I hope this video is even long enough. But let's just hop into this review. It opens up like a safe should. You can put stuff in it to keep it safe. I made that joke again. Ha. And then, you know, it's bolted in there so no one can take it out. And to get to the bolts, you're going to need the safe lock or the combination. So all in all, it's going to keep your stuff safe. Unless someone really just steals the truck, I think you're going to keep your stuff safer than what it was without this. Now this costs about, I think, $350. Don't quote me on that. I don't have the price right off the top of my head. It's between $300 and $400, and I think it's worth it to keep your stuff safe. I'm going to go ahead and give one of these away to you guys. Let's discuss this giveaway. To enter the giveaway for one of these safes, it's really simple. In the description, there's going to be a link to a Gleam giveaway. I have not ran one of these before, but it's not that hard, so hopefully I can figure it out. I'm going to run this for a month straight, so it's going to be like a Christmas giveaway. Now, to get an entry, you sign up for the giveaway, you get one entry. Now, there's two other options to get entries. You can click the link in the Gleam, and you can go to my YouTube and subscribe to it. That's another entry. And then you can do the same thing for my Instagram, and that's another entry. So there's a chance to get up to 3 entries to win this safe. I might adjust it for extra entries if you're subbed, or so on like that. But either way, you can get extra entries for doing a couple extra steps and helping the channel out. I'd really appreciate it. And you get a chance to win this awesome safe for your Tacoma. And I think that's a win-win for everybody. It's kind of like a Christmas gift. Thanking you guys for all the support you've been giving me for this past year. Thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to give even bigger thanks. We hit 600 subscribers. That's awesome. We're coming up on my 1 year being on YouTube. It's been amazing. I've been able to experience so much stuff and take you guys with me. So thank you for that. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's keep growing on to the next year. You know, we have about a month left of this year, so it's been amazing. And check out this video right here. It's pretty good. And I'll see you guys in the next one.